Welcome to the Leopard Leather Factory,
where million-dollar products are born from premium synthetic hides mimicking rare leopard skin.
Our journey begins with the arrival of raw materials.
These high-grade, eco-friendly hides are sourced globally, ready for transformation.
Each hide weighs over 50 pounds, engineered for durability and luxury.
Quality control starts here. Defects are scanned and removed instantly. Advanced AI ensures only flawless sheets proceed. First, a 24-hour soak rehydrates the fibers. pH-balanced enzymes soften the material without chemicals.
The result, supple, ready for patterning leather.
Drying begins under controlled humidity. This preserves natural elasticity. Surface cleaning removes any residue. Germ-free for premium hygiene. Prepared and pristine, they advance. Next, the magic of the leopard pattern. Using laser-etched plates, we imprint the iconic leopard spots. Hypoallergenic pigments ensure fade-resistant luxury.
Each print is unique, algorithm-generated for authenticity.
3D scanning calibrates for perfect depth.
Human oversight refines the machine's art.
Precision cleaning for flawless texture. No imperfection escapes our eagle eyes. Heat sets the design for eternity. Ethical vegetable agents strengthen without harm. Wrung and ready for fat liquoring. This step ensures lifelong luxury feel. Buffing evens the luxurious sheen. Controlled drying prevents cracks. Tensile tests confirm million-dollar strength. Tanned to perfection. "3D embossing adds tactile realism. Feel them under your fingers. Hand finishing for bespoke quality. Final smoothing yields mirror-like surfaces. Branded for authenticity.
Aged briefly for optimal maturity.
Ready for the artisan's blade.
Computer-guided lasers ensure zero waste.
Patterns align perfectly with spots.
Each cut optimized for product design.
Smoothing for seamless joins. Beveling for invisible seams.
Organized for assembly mastery. AI verification before crafting.
The skeleton of luxury awaits.
Skilled artisans take the helm.
Double stitched for heirloom durability.
Leopard patterns preserved in every seam.
Gold hardware from Italian mills.
Custom interiors with hidden pockets.
Ergonomic comfort meets style.
From flat to fabulous. Assembled masterpieces. Traceability for discerning buyers.
Provenance guaranteed.
Packaged for the world stage. Gifts wrapped in exclusivity. Off to million-dollar destinies.
From factory to fortune.
The Leopard Leather Factory. Wildly exquisite.